Hi, in front of me is Umidigi S3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings, then click Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Over here, click on the device that you want to connect to, for example that one. And tap on Pair. All you need to do from here is wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!